Number 1. 1988 Chevrolet S10, $1,300 McCleary, Washington. This budget-friendly 1988 Chevrolet S10 is a regular cab with rear-wheel drive, powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder and automatic transmission. With over 215,000 miles, it shows signs of use but appears mechanically functional. It includes power steering, a toolbox, and a trailer hitch ideal for light hauling or as a first project truck. While not yet collectible, early S10s have gained appreciation among mini truck enthusiasts for their simplicity and mod potential. Number 2. 1985 Ford F150 $2,500 Weiser, Idaho. This 1985 Ford F150 4x4 features a 5.0-liter engine and 4-speed manual transmission. Said to be a strong performer despite some issues like overheating in hot weather and a power steering leak. The odometer shows under 38,500 miles, though actual mileage is unknown. With fresh components like a fuel pump and thermostat, it's a rugged, no-frills hunting or ranch truck. Priced low for a 4x4, it's a functional rig for someone handy. Number 3. 1986 Chevrolet S10 4x4, $5,000 Klamath Falls, Oregon. This 1986 Chevrolet S10 Tahoe 4x4 is equipped with a 2.8-liter V6 and 5-speed manual. With 183,400 miles, it's still used as a daily driver, suggesting mechanical reliability. It's in straight condition for its age with minimal rust and wear, and the manual transmission adds to the fun. These early S10 4x4 South are increasingly hard to find in good condition and are a great platform for either off-road builds or restoration. Number 4. 1984 Toyota pickup, $1,000 Lompoc, California. A blown engine makes this 1984 Toyota pickup a project candidate, but it retains its legendary 2R four-cylinder and manual transmission setup. Despite a failed piston, the truck includes new parts like tires, brakes, and a fuel system. It passed smog earlier in 2024, hinting at a structurally sound drivetrain before the failure. This would be an excellent restoration base for Toyota enthusiasts given its parts investment and clean California title. Number 5. 1982 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe, $4,500 Denver, Colorado. This long bed 1982 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe features a 350 cubic inch V8, mated to a TH350 automatic. A former Wyoming ranch truck with just 80,000 miles, it runs and drives but needs attention. It includes Hercules tires, a straight frame, and some expected rust. It received a performance intake, quadrajet carb, and exhaust in the 1980s. A perfect candidate for a budget square body restoration or rat rod with solid mechanical bones. Number 6. 1974 Ford F100 for $1,000 Fort Worth, Texas. This 1974 Ford F100 features a 300 cubic inch V8 and manual transmission, with 74,000 miles. It includes new floorboards, starter, carburetor, and door hinge pins. It runs and drives. With most of the restoration already complete, a solid choice for someone seeking a mostly finished classic Ford with character. These 6th Gen F-Series models have seen rising collector interest, especially with manual gearboxes. Number 7, 1970 Ford F250 $5,000 Prescott Valley, Arizona. A genuine ranch survivor. This 1970 Ford F250 has stayed in the same Arizona family for over 55 years. It's powered by a rebuilt 390 cubic inch V8 with an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, mated to an automatic. With 99,043 original miles, it's driven monthly and retains excellent mechanical integrity. The value here is in its history, originality, and consistent care, an ideal pickup for preservation. Number 8, 1988 Jeep Comanche Pioneer $500 Cotati, California. The Jeep Comanche is a rare breed, and this 1988 Pioneer model is a long bed, rear-wheel drive example with a 4.0-liter inline-six and automatic. It turns over with starter fluid but is not receiving fuel. While not running and off DMV rolls since 2006, it has only 163,200 miles and a clean title. For a mere $500, it's a compelling project or parts donor for someone familiar with AM Sierra Jeeps. Number 9, 1969 Ford F350 $2,000 D. Borgia, Montana. This 1969 Ford F350 is powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 paired with a 4-speed manual. With 97,638 miles and no visible rust, it's a solid foundation for a heavy-duty vintage hauler or restoration. It includes an extra set of tires and appears straight overall. Ford's bump-side trucks from this era are well regarded for their strength and simple styling. This one is priced right for a project. Number 10, 1961 Chevrolet Corvair Rampside $6,500 Sacramento, California. This 1961 Chevrolet Corvair Rampside is a rare and quirky pickup known for its rear engine layout and unique side-loading ramp. Still wearing its original blue paint and interior, it runs and shifts. Though the gas tank needs cleaning, it's missing the title but comes with original registration and plates. These trucks are becoming increasingly collectible due to their novelty. This example is a solid base for a purist or collector. Number 11, 1960 to GMC Pickup Plus Camper Plus Trailer, $10,000 Sebastopol, California. A complete vintage travel rig. This 1960 to GMC pickup includes its original 305 cubic inch V6, 3-speed manual transmission, and a matching camper and trailer. The truck has had substantial mechanical upgrades like a new carburetor, brakes, generator, and rear end. With 70,000 miles, it runs great but has some rust and minor AC leaks. It's an ideal setup for retro road trippers or collectors wanting a full classic experience. Number 12, 1963 Chevrolet C10, $6,250 Moses Lake, Washington. This 1963 Chevrolet C10 pickup is a mostly rust-free restoration candidate with minor dents. It features a modern 350 cubic inch V8 and 4-speed manual along with power steering. The bed needs new wood, but the metal is solid. While the odometer reads 64,654, actual mileage is likely 164,000 plus. The early C10s are beloved for their styling and simplicity. This one offers a great starting point at a fair price. Number 13, 1965 Ford F100 half-ton, $7,000 Roseville, California. This short bed 1965 Ford F100 flatbed is a solid driver powered by a 390 cubic inch V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. With 150,000 miles, it features a straight, rust-free body and clean interior. It needs no immediate work and is registered through September 2025. Trucks of this generation are rising in value, especially V8 models with clean bodies. This is a dependable turnkey vintage hauler.